So this year, we're gonna have some strict rules in class. What was that? I've got my eyes on you two. Ever been in class and gotten so hungry that you couldn't concentrate and like lunch is still hours away? Well, today I'm gonna show you guys some sneaky ways to get food into class that might just save your day. If you've ever been hungry in class, hit the notification bell right now and comment hungry corns. Hey Wendy, can I borrow your razor? No, sorry, not right now. Why not? Shh, it's a secret. Look. See? Oh! Shh, Wengie, just take some and be quiet. Hey, no talking in class. I'm trying to concentrate here. Playing my game. So a simple eraser may not look like much, but there is a hidden compartment for hiding food. And it has to do with this cardboard wrapping, so make sure you find an eraser with this cardboard piece. I found the best kind of candy to be something small like nerds, which are the perfect size. To others, it'll seem like you've got nerds coming out of your eraser. Just cut your eraser into 2 small pieces like this. Put one piece just a little bit into the cardboard piece and you'll have an empty chamber. Just scoop as many nerds as you can into this chamber and then use your other piece to hide the evidence and it'll look just like a regular eraser. Hey Wengie, can I borrow your glue stick? Oh, sorry, it doesn't work. Huh? Oh, you gotta give me whatever you have hiding in there. Fine. These lifesavers may actually be true to their name if you find yourself hungry in class, desperate for a snack. And all you need is an empty glue stick. Because the lifesavers are ring-shaped, you can actually just thread them straight into the glue without needing to reshape or cut them or anything. It's almost as if they were made to fit inside a glue stick. I remember thinking I was getting cheated out of that middle piece of candy, but now it's finally become useful. Why can't I beat this level? I mean, what an interesting documentary. Do you guys smell candy? No? Okay guys, I'm sick of you two sneaking food into my class all the time. I'm gonna be looking through every single one of your school supplies today because I've had enough. Okay, fine. Sure. I found something. This is... What is it? Miss, it's my pencil sharpener. Is that okay? Fine. Doesn't look like you're hiding anything today then. No one expects your accessories to be edible, so here's how to make a Skittles necklace. First, take some thread and thread it through a needle. Tie a jump ring to the end of your thread using a double knot. Next, take a Skittle and make a small dent in the shell on both sides and then poke your needle through it. And that's the first Skittles bead on your necklace. So all you have to do is repeat this process with as many Skittles as you want. Keep in mind the needles are really sharp and you could hurt yourself, so get adult supervision for this. This takes some time, so it's okay to eat a few Skittles whilst you're working. When you've attached your last Skittle, tie another jump ring onto the remaining end of your thread with a clasp attach and you're done. This Skittles necklace is super colorful and the last place for your teacher to look for food. I love Sour Straps candy, and yeah, honestly, I never realized they kind of look like colorful wristbands. And maybe even this pencil case. Maybe I'll leave that one for another DIY. To turn this into a wristband, just take a straw and make a hole on either end of your strap. Next, tie a piece of string and tie the ends together. And that's it, the easiest DIY ever, but now you'll have a colorful wristband that you can eat. I love Pringles. Huh? Oh no, my chip! What a good idea! So class, today we're going to learn about plants. They get their energy from the sun in a process called photosynthesis. Hey, Wengie, give me one. I love these clippy pens, and it's almost as if they were made to hide something inside them. Like, why else would you be able to make them into a circle? Maybe it's a sign. Anyways, they're a perfect fit for our Pringles can, so just go ahead and clip them around your chips for a perfectly snug fit. Your food is completely hidden and no one will ever know. Now I feel like dessert. I know. What is that? Here. Ah. So you know these cute glitter pencil cases? Well, we're gonna take that idea and turn it into a sneaky way to bring candy into class. Basically, just take a regular pencil case and cut a piece of vinyl to size. Next, take a zipper and stick that onto the side of the pencil case. Cut away the excess zipper. When it's dry, fold the zipper over and attach the vinyl to the zipper and the pencil case using hot glue. You should be able to open your zipper and access the clear pouch that you just made. Now just take some cute sprinkles that kind of match the theme of your pencil case and pour them straight into your clear pouch. It looks super cute, but the best thing is they're edible and no one will suspect you. This is a sunflower. You can find them in many forms and in many different places, but also you can find them in the supermarket in the form of seeds. I'm really thirsty. Wengie, no sugary drinks. I'm confiscating that. Whoa! Wallet? You can easily find these mist spray pens from dollar stores and they totally look like school supplies, which means they're the perfect tool to sneak some delicious drinks into class. I've got a few different flavors of energy drink and basically filled each of the pens up with a flavor. I feel like this kinda makes them look like highlighters or colored pens. Obviously, if you only have one, it might not quench your thirst, but if you have a few of these, you can definitely make them last through the day. They even look quite cute considering they're fake school supplies. Wallet? No, it's okay. I have a secret backup. Whoa, are those one of those liquid phone cases? What's a liquid phone case? To make a liquid phone case, you need some plastic vinyl and a spare phone case. Roughly trace the shape of your phone case onto the vinyl and then cut it out. You want to cut inside the line so you end up with a snug fit onto the back of your phone case. Now using your original piece of vinyl, cut out a second piece, but this time make the second piece the same height, but 2 millimeters wider of either side. Now it's time to seal your vinyl pouch, so match one of the sides together, take some folded baking paper, and use it to cover the edge that you want to seal. Next, take a hair straightener and use the very edge of the heating element to seal one side of your pouch. After you're done, it should look like this. Next, match the other side of your pouch and seal that in the same way. Because one piece of vinyl was wider than the other, you'll end up with some space in the middle of your pouch to hold your liquid. Now you want to seal the bottom of your pouch and then either side of the top, leaving a small gap in the middle. Now what you want to do is take one of these yogurt drink pouches and just cut away everything but leave the drink nozzle. This should fit pretty snugly into the gap you've left before. Next, just take some glue and glue the nozzle to your opening, ensuring it's all sealed. Next, glue the edges of your pouch and stick it onto the back of your phone case and it should look something like this. When this is all dry, it's time to fill it up with some delicious drink. Honestly, even if this wasn't edible, it'd still be such a cool DIY. Anyways, it's time to pop your phone inside your DIY liquid phone case and take a sip of your delicious drink because you've earned it. Wengie, no phones in class. I'm confiscating that too. Want one now? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and candy hugs! Remember, this is for entertainment purposes only. I don't want you guys to get in trouble. Tell me which one your favorite is down below. And also don't forget to check out my single Cake, which is out right now. All links down below. And a huge shout out to my Wengification Squad of the Week and my Wengie Corn of the Week. If you guys want to shout out next week yourself, don't forget to check the description box to find out how to get your shout out. You can find me on social media during the week for behind the scenes and other sneak peeks. And until next week, I'm going to miss you guys so much, so I'll see you guys then. Bye guys! Love you!